New research reveals the EU fishing industry has been granted €15.7 billion in fossil fuel subsidies over the last decade. It's estimated if these funds were used to reduce energy and decarbonize, 6,000 projects could be funded. Switching tax streams for decarbonization would benefit the EU and its fishing industry, but is being opposed by fishing nations. Campaigners suggest redirecting money to research and rollout of alternative technologies for fishing boats, such as wind-assisted propulsion, batteries, and green hydrogen systems, to replace unsustainable fishing practices.